Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the WordPress menus open in new tab. So first of all, let's try opening the home page of the website and I'll show you right now how the menus are working. So these are the menus on the WordPress site. So if I click on this, the link gets opened in this same page. So if you want to make these menus open in new tab, then there are few settings which you need to configure. So first of all, go to the menus. So once you reach the menus, just select the menu which you want to make open in new tab. So here are some menus which I have already created. So if I expand this, there is no option to select open the link in new tab. So to enable this option, you'll need to just click on the screen options and over here under show advanced menu properties, just enable this link target, and now just go to the menu and here you will be able to see open link in new tab option. You can configure these menus to open in new tab one by one. So once you configure this, just click on save menu and now let's try this out. So when we click on this menu, it will open in new tab. So this is how you can make WordPress menu open in new tab. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.